Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Alright, we just came back from my doctor's appointment. Today is my another doctor's appointment for the baby. Everything is okay, she's doing good, stuff like that. On today's video, another hair care routine that I love doing it once a week. I do love doing it once a week, so every time I do this once a week, it feels my hair so soft, shiny, and smooth. As you can see, this is what's look like now when my hair is like dry after using those hair product that I use every week. So the hair product that I use is Rose Quartz hair mask. This I used once a week to my hair, and I do love it. Every time I do this treatment to my hair, give my hair like more shiny, smooth, and smells so good. I love the smell. It doesn't matter what brand you're gonna try to your hair. For me, this is I have in my bathroom because I got it for my monthly subscription beauty box, and I do love it. This is the Rose Quartz hair mask, and then as you can see, I almost finished it. A little left product on the bottle. I do love the smell, and it makes my hair so smells good. So yeah, this is what's look like the hair mask that I used every week. And before I'm gonna start my hair mask, this is what's look like my hair right now before applying a hair mask. So before applying hair mask, again, I'm just gonna separate my hair one at a time, and I start applying the hair mask into my hair. So I do hair mask like every Thursday when I have a free time. That's my days off, so I have a plenty of time to play with my hair. So what I do is I separate my hair first, one section at a time, and apply the hair mask onto my hair till like I cover all my entire hair, and also I kind of like massage it all the way through my roots. And after that, I leave it for 5 minutes to my hair and go to shower, rinse my hair mask into my hair, and followed my shampoo, conditioner, and after that dry my hair. And I noticed that when I start combing my hair is so soft, even it's so wet. You can see when you're starting combing your hair, it's so soft and feels so good when you comb your hair, when it feels like really soft and easy to comb your hair, not tangled at all. So yeah, alright, this is what's look like my hair after using the hair mask when it's dried already. As you can see, I love how it's shiny, soft, and I just love how it's super shiny and soft. Even you like feel it with your hands, is super soft and shiny. I love it. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone.